Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Home Cooking with Dana. Today is the day 2 of 10 days of one pan recipes and we are going to cook creamy pasta with sausage chicken. If you like this recipe, give a thumbs up and subscribe to see the rest of the one pan recipes.
Let's prepare our fresh ingredients first. We need 4 cloves of garlic, finely chopped, half onion, couple of green pepper. Feel free to use your choice of pepper here. Handful of basil leaves and 1 medium-sized tomato. Cut 3 small sausages into little pieces. Here we have all the ingredients to make our one pan pasta. Heat the pan and add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Add sausages first and let this fry for about 2 minutes. Add garlic and onion. Give this a little mix and let this cook for about another minute. Season with salt and pepper to your taste. Add chopped tomatoes and green peppers. Add 500 grams of pasta and in goes our fresh basil leaves. We are going to add 500 ml of warm water here and this is going to help to make this faster. Add 2 tablespoons of tomato puree, give it a little stir, cover the lid and cook for 10 minutes on medium to high heat. After 10 minutes, this is how our pasta looks like. There's not much water left. At last, sprinkle mozzarella cheese on top and cover the lid to melt the cheese. After a few minutes, cheese has melted and this is how our creamy pasta and sausage chicken looks like. Mix everything together and we are ready to serve. Easy one pot family meal recipe for a busy day. Hope you guys enjoy it and stay tuned for my next one pan recipe.